Hello guys, today we'll be seeing about my NLP project, which is Twitter sentiment analysis. Before seeing to my project, first we'll be seeing about what is sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is an NLP approach which is used to identify the emotional tone or sentiment behind the text which has been typed by random people. So this is a popular method which is used by many organizations to determine and categorize the opinion about a product or their service or the idea. So for example, like suppose take an e-commerce website like Amazon who sells the product. So the Amazon is selling a laptop during a fest. So many people start to buy the product, and after using that product, people start to give their views or opinion. So these views will be categorized to positive, negative, or neutral. Aim of sentimental analysis. The main objective of sentimental analysis to extract people's opinion from a large set of reviews and later classifying them into positive, negative, or neutral. Sometimes it can be classified as highly positive or highly negative. There's some e-commerce website like Flipkart, Amazon, and some food delivery app like Uber, uh, Swiggy, then some cab websites like Ola, Uber. These website uses sentimental analysis. So, for example, Apple has launched an iPhone 14, and it is in sales in this e-commerce website. So people starts to buy this product, and after using the product for 1 week or 1 month, people will give their opinion or view as a review. So these opinions will be considered as review section. So some of the review will be like one of the it's like iPhone is the best phone I have seen. Like it's one of the best phone I have seen, and some other review will be like one of the worst phone I have seen. So these reviews will be not separated as good or bad review. So during this stage, sentimental analysis plays a key role. Sentimental analysis is used to identify the emotion tone behind these reviews, and later they are categorized to good or bad review, or you can say like positive, negative, and neutral. So we are using a data set from the Kaggle. So this is the link for the data set, and I will be providing this link in the description. So as of now, we have discussed like what is mean by sentiment analysis and what is the main objective of using sentiment analysis and some examples. So now we'll be speaking about my topic, which is Twitter sentiment analysis. This sentiment analysis can be used in many areas like it can be used in Instagrams like in the post where the comments can be sent analyzed. So like for each post it consists of like millions of commands. Some in that every commands will not be a good command. Some commands will be like good, some commands will be bad. So these will be categorized using this sentiment analysis. So now we'll be speaking about my project with this Twitter sentiment analysis. So why we use Twitter. Twitter is a app or software where we use to tweet for some random things or random incident. So in that tweets, like for example, Elon Musk, you know, right? He's the founder of Tesla and SpaceX. So one day he is posting a post of a Tesla in the Twitter. So after seeing that post, many people start to tweet. These tweets can be either hate tweets or non-hate tweets. The person who like Elon Musk will put non-hate tweets, and the person who dislike Elon Musk puts hate tweets. So our job is to classify whether this tweet is hate or non-hate. So this problem which comes under classification problem, not prediction. There are like you can say like classification, prediction, and clustering. But this problem comes under classification because we are classifying the tweets as positive, negative, or neutral. So we'll be using some ML classification like there are many ML classification models like K nearest neighbor, logistic regression, naive Bayes, support data machine, decision tree, random forest. So we will be using this classification model, and we will be using regular expression library. Why we are using regular expression library? Because regular expression library which deals with string, which is used to find the matching of strings, it basically deals with the string parts. And we'll be doing some EDA, which is exploratory, right, exploratory data analysis, where we'll be extracting the data from an Excel or from a CSV. In our project, we'll be using a CSV file. You can use whatever file, but in our project we are using CSV file. Then data pre-processing, data data cleaning. Like for these you will be and data visualization. For this you will be using some libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, then Mathlot. Then later we'll be doing some machine learning process, because it's a we are classifying the tweets into a class of positive, negative, or neutral. Then later we'll be using some deep learning and NLP techniques. So text classification, it is a process which is involved in the sentiment analysis. So the text classification is used to classify people's opinion into different sentiments like positive, neutral, negative, or like good or bad, or like happy or sad. That's so the sentiment analysis can be done on like different consumer industry to analyze people's opinion on a particular product, because people's opinion differ from various people. Like some people will give a good opinion of a particular product, or some people gives a bad or negative opinion on a particular product. So we'll be using this sentimental analysis to analyze analyze their emotion and classifying them into positive, negative, and neutral, as I said before. So we will be doing some text pre-processing, because tweets which are made by several people consist the user mentions some hyperlinks, some emoticons like the and then punctuation. So in order to use them for learning, we can't permit these type of text for training the model. So before training the model, we'll be removing these as I said, right, these hyperlinks, uh, punctuation, user mentions, so that before training a model we'll be removing these things. Then we'll be using a process which is NLP approach, which is streaming and lemmatization. So for the grammatical reasons, documents are going to use different forms of word, such as like writing, and writes. There are like familiar derivational related words with similar meaning. So the goal of both these things is to reduce the inflation forms. Inflation form is nothing but a word which are a changed spell, and to convert them to a common base form. Then the streaming usually refers to a process that chops off the end words, like end verbs, and in the hope of achieving the goal correctly. Then, which also includes like removal of derivational affixes. Then lemmatization, which refers to doing things properly with the use of like vocabulary analysis of words, which normally aims on removing the inflectional endings. stop words. Stop words are commonly used words which has no meaning in the sentence. So it's good to remove these before classification. And at last, we'll be using these libraries like numpy, pandas, cborn. Numpy, pandas will be used for EDA part. Then cborn is used for data visualization. sklearn is used for machine learning. Keras is used for deep learning. NLT is used for NLP, and RE which is used for regular expression. Thank you.